All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Unique Adventurez. We are out here. We got a special surprise today, something that we've been waiting to unveil for the last 6 months. We placed an order on a brand new RV, and we actually sold our last RV back in November, so we have not had an RV for the last 5 months. And today we are out here, South Hill RV out in Puyallup. We met up with these guys back in October. They had the floor plan. They were able to get what we wanted and gave us a pretty fair deal. And so today is pickup day, and we're gonna come and show you guys exactly what we ended up getting, because the Jayco just wasn't meeting our needs anymore. We didn't need the bunkhouse. It was a lot longer than we actually needed. We want to start doing some more dry camping, and I think you're going to realize that the new trailer that we got is definitely going to fit that bill for sure, and we're going to be doing a lot of mods and stuff to get it up and running. But let's show you guys exactly what we ended up getting. We're out here, South Hill RV, pickup day. Let's go see what we got. All right, so we just got done signing all that paperwork. We are about ready to go cruise up. Let's go check out what the heck we ended up with. Well, it is that time, everybody. What did we actually end up with? We are all hitched up. We were packaged up. We are ready to go. You see behind us here, tannish, mocha colored trailer. We got ourselves a Rockwood Minilite. Yes, indeed, we switched brands. We were Jayco, and now we are Rockwood. This thing had the options that we wanted, had all the different things that really appealed to us. We have got a lot of solar already installed from the factory on the roof. We already got 400 watts on the roof already. Comes with torsion axles, a lot of aluminum support on the inside. Got that Asdel siding. This thing is going to be a boondocking monster, and we can't wait to get this thing out. But essentially, this guy actually is a 2109S, and that's the model. So we are going down a lot of size on this trailer. We went from 30 feet down to 22 feet, and it's a lot smaller. It's just a couples camper. Just got the short queen bed and stuff. But yeah, initial reactions here, we are completely stoked to get to take this thing out. We are completely stoked to get to start modding this thing out and getting it extremely ready for boondocking, because that is what we like to do, and this thing has already got a step in the right direction. So yeah, stay tuned for all the things, and make sure to hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, so when we do crazy things like buy new trailers, you don't miss it. And until then, we'll see you guys in the next adventure.